Hello. Did you miss me? Because, I didn't. I'm always with me. So, I just moved. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be making videos again, but I'm very tired. I'm very burnt out, and there's just a lot of things I still need to do, and there's a lot of things that I have had to do. My world's on fire. How about yours? So I'm just going to riff it here. I'm going to make a video because I want to make content. And the only way to make content is to struggle and just off the cuff make low effort content. I'm just out here to make low effort content for you. So let's start off that low effort content with some quizzes I found. I found some quizzes on Six Flags Great America because you might think I know a lot of things about Six Flags Great America. It is my home park after all. I've made a lot of history videos about Six Flags Great America. Funny thing is, I do research and then a lot of it just dumps out of my brain and I forget a lot of the things that I have learned. So what I'm gonna do here is take some quizzes I found online. So you think you know Six Flags Great America? Okay, I'm going to start with this first one. It's on funtrivia.com. This is Six Flags Great America number 1. 750 people have played it. The average score is 5 out of 10, so I'm just going to try to beat 5 out of 10. It's been updated December of last year, and it has 10 questions. Difficulty, tough. The author is Disneyland 50. So they're not even a stan of Six Flags Great America. I'm thinking this is going to be a pretty easy one. First question, Six Flags Great America was originally owned by what company? Oh boy, I don't know. I think it's Marriott. Which roller coaster replaced Shockwave in Orleans Place? Superman, that piece of shit. During Fright Fest, Southwest Territory is transformed into what themed land? I think it's Southwest Scaratory, but it could be Terrortory. The roller coaster Demon is located in what area of the park? Hometown Square. Which movie and or television character does not have a ride at Six Flags Great America? Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo doesn't actually. It used to. How long ago was that we lost Camp Cartoon? But anyways, it's Mr. Freeze. They think that's a trick question. They think they're being sneaky with that one because of Six Flags St. Louis. Not gonna sneak me today. Not gonna sneak me, Disney fan 50. Camp Cartoon Network is located in what themed area? It's not. It's not located in any areas. It was its own area, so that's Southwest Territory.
This is so very incorrect and a little bit embarrassing. I never go in Camp Cartoon, but I pass it to Ride Live all the time.
Ice Mountain Splash at Six Flags Great America was formerly known as what? Ooh, this must be from an era where I was not going to the park very much. I'm gonna guess it was Splash Mountain. What? I'm just gonna say Yankee Clipper. I don't think they would change the name of Loggers Run for an Ice Mountain advertisement, which is not currently a ride at Six Flags Great America. Iron Wolf and Tidal Wave. It's been updated December of last year. I'm going to say Tidal Wave because that was not currently a ride at Six Flags Great America before Iron Wolf was removed. How old is this quiz? What is Raging Bull's height? I'm going to say 208. Which of these were the most recent addition to Six Flags Great America? I'm going to say it was Hurricane Harbor. I'm pretty confident about that, but submit my answers. All right. I got the first one right. I got Susan. Demon is not in Hometown Square? It's in County Fair? I mean. All right. So, only 38% of players have answered that one correctly anyways. Why did I think Hometown Square? Anyway, yeah, it's in County Fair. Camp Cartoon Network is located in Yukon Territory. Now that I'm thinking about it, what the hell was I thinking? Because that's located over by Goliath. Man, 55% of players answered that correctly. If I just thought about it harder, Ice Mountain Splash at Six Flags Great America was formerly known as Yankee Clipper. That's a hard question because it is currently known as Yankee Clipper. What is Raging Bull's height? It's 202. I knew it was going to be 202 or 208. If I just thought about it harder, so I got a 7 out of 10. And that means if this was school, I would have a C or a D. I don't know. I haven't been in school in many years. I would settle for a C or a D. I've settled for C's and D's many times. Don't make any jokes. I'm gonna move on to the next quiz I have. This is Six Flags Great America quiz. It's on Quizzes.com. I'm looking for who made this. Oh, okay. They're doing that funny glitchy text, so I can't say what their name is. It's like Kai and it says it is a year old. 6 people have played it, and there's a 96% average accuracy. Let's quizzes. Oh, this is intense. Okay. What is this ride called? Vertical velocity. I'm not even gonna make jokes because this is timed. These are core learnings. That's a good meme. Ooh-wee. What stalls are all around the park? Cheesy fries, Dippin' Dots, Oreo cookies, Dippin' Dots. Converging on the right answer. Whoa, I'm the best. Which do you like more? The Wizard, other, Goliath? Which do I like more? Goliath, bitch. Submit. What? What? How did I lose points on that? Okay. What is the water park inside? Oh god, it's called Hurricane Harbor. We're going. I'm not reading this for you. I'm going. Ooh, I'm back up. I lost a lot of points for liking Goliath. Okay. What is the fastest roller coaster at Six Flags Great America? It's Max Force. Let's go. This is fun. Which of the following are at Six Flags Great America? Gemini, no. Green Lantern, no. Wizard, yes. Max Force, yes. Submit. What is the carousel at Six Flags Great America? It's just called Carousel. Why would it be Columbia? Columbia. What is your opinion on Six Flags Great America? It's great. Like America. Shit. Typing one-handed. Okay, great. Like America. Okay. I got a 100%, except for the one I got wrong. And I should not have liked Goliath, apparently. Okay, that was weird. Let's move on. Oh, and this one also has a timer. Oh, I'm just supposed to start naming some. Well, that's not gonna happen because I'm holding a microphone in one hand. That quiz is not happening. Great Adventure? What? Okay, this is a Great Adventure one. That is not even a real park as far as I'm concerned. We're moving on. Quizzes are dropping. This video idea is just completely crumbling underneath me. Which Six Flags Great America roller coaster are you? This is very BuzzFeedy. I'm very excited for this one. Which qualities do you prefer in a coaster? This is some dating shit. This really is some dating shit. Really tall with... I like them really tall and very curvy. What the f is this? Okay, which qualities do you prefer in a coaster? Intensity, positive G's, theming. I love me some theming. I'm gonna say intensity and theming. I don't care about airtime as much as other enthusiasts, I don't think. I really just care about speed. And I really like pacing. I'm a pacing fan and a fan of theming. So I'm just gonna say intensity, positive G's, and theming. Which coaster is that gonna be at Six Flags Great America? Maybe Batman. I don't know. Which of these is your favorite? We got Cornball Express. Cornball Express, Voyage, Raptor, Mindbender, Millennium Force, Iron Dragon. I really want to answer Cornball Express above Millennium Force, but I know it's not true. The night rides I've had on Voyage are probably above Millennium Force, and I can't... I'm gonna pick Voyage. Hard to tell between Voyage and Millennium Force, but how do you compare Voyage and Millennium Force? You don't. That's the answer. What is your favorite company? Schwarzkopf, Aero, Custom Coasters International, Late B&M, Gravity Group, Early B&M. It's Gravity Group. Gravity Group is my favorite company. Which of these is your favorite? Legend? You know it's Legend. Herschel Mad Mouse. Why does this quiz know me? Ooh, Hades. I'm surprised Hades is on here. I'm picking Hades. Hades over Legend. Just barely, though.
This quiz was not good.
What do you think of the Golden Ticket Awards results? Well, I'm a big stinky thoosie, so I think that they're really bad, and I get really angry about them, and I just stew in that anger, and I let it consume me, and then I take it out on the world around me. Who cares? Who cares? Save and continue. Log in with Facebook to continue? What? I don't have a Facebook. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what a disaster. This quiz was from zwigglers.com. Zwigglers.com, you were just added to my bad websites list. My I don't like you website list. Wow, this is a disaster. Since I ran out of Six Flags Great America quizzes and I couldn't log into Facebook for that other one, I'm just going to start another quiz. I'm gonna take this next quiz. What roller coaster is your perfect fit? By Coaster Guy 10. And if I had $1 for every coaster guy that there was, I would have probably enough money for the low tier Six Flags season pass that they just released. Which do you like the most in a thrill ride? Forceful, gentle, fast? Fast, girl! I like fast. Which do you prefer, going upside down or going really fast? Fast, girl! I like going fast! Do you like Six Flags parks? Hell yeah, I do. I love me some Six Flags. What's your favorite color? Purple. Purple, it's purple. For the love of God, it's purple. Green. Which do you prefer? Launch? Calculating results. That's really fast. They really know King Ka. I'm an Intamin is really all I'm learning, and this is nothing new. This is a BuzzFeed quiz. Are you a roller coaster enthusiast? And this is by Mozzarella. Mozzarella is a YouTuber, and I think her home park is Six Flags Great America as well, but I don't know. So Mozzarella made a BuzzFeed quiz. This is exciting. Let's go. Have you ever visited more than 5 amusement parks? 15? 30? I think I'm at like 19 or something like that. Counted how many roller coasters you've been on? Yes. Ranked? Yes. Yes. I've written kitty coasters for credits. My gosh. Have had someone question why you're riding a kiddie coaster? Thankfully, no. Thankfully, I have not had somebody question that yet. Felt embarrassed for riding a kiddie coaster. If I rode a kiddie coaster by myself, I would feel very embarrassed, yes, but I have not done that yet, so no. That should probably count towards being a coaster enthusiast, if you're just shameless. Binge watched roller coaster POVs? F yeah, it's the best. Binge watched roller coaster YouTubers? Theme Park Crazy, Expedition Theme Park. Laughed at a GP YouTube comment. I sure have, and I'm not proud of it, but GP comments are funny. Laughed at something a GP said in real life about a roller coaster. Yes, of course. I laugh every time they're like, yo, someone died on that yesterday. I laugh every time. Purposely left your restraint a little loose so you could get more airtime. We don't speak of this. I have a limit. Okay? I might leave one click on a PTC train, but only if it seems like it's gonna be really tight if I go all the way down, okay? Gotten angry at a ride operator for assigning you a bad row. Not angry, just kind of like, gotten stapled, negative turn, I know it. Yes, I know what stapling is, because I'm a coaster enthusiast. No, I haven't gotten stapled before. I've gotten it like pushed down too far, sure, and I'm like, shit, I'm a little squeezed in here. That's not really like stapled. Now that you mention it, T3 kind of staples you. I'm still gonna stick with that it's not. Gotten angry, no, I've not gotten angry at a ride operator for assigning me a seat. Waited more than 15 extra minutes to get a specific seat. Yes. Worked at a theme park. No. Bought and built a nano coaster. I have behind this green screen a nano coaster for Max Force that I have not put together yet, so I'm halfway. Spent more than $100 on theme park merchandise in a single day. Yes, I have. Had your own miniature park made out of several nano coasters. Nah. Played Roller Coaster Tycoon. Yes to all of these. By the way, when I played No Limits, I made 2 coasters and I just dipped out of there. I don't have the patience to learn No Limits. No Limits? Turns out there's a limit. Marathon to roller coaster. Yes, I have. Ridden the Beast at night. If you haven't ridden the Beast at night, you're not a roller coaster enthusiast. Mozzarella said that, not me. I'm sorry for pinning that on you. Bragged about last ride of a night. No, I've just been excited about it and been like, I got last ride of a night. Is that bragging? I was just excited. I was just happy. I didn't want them to feel left out. Dedicated a social media page to just roller coasters. Hi, hello. Referred to yourself as a thoosie. Hi, hello. Drooled over Dollywood cinnamon bread. Nope. But that's funny. Arrived at a park more than an hour before opening. No. Waited outside a coaster's entrance to make sure you'd be on the last train of a night. No. Taken a vacation solely dedicated to visiting parks. Yes. Complained about trim brakes. Yes, I do it on my channel. Had a dream about a roller coaster. This one's weird because a lot of enthusiasts have told me that they have dreams about roller coasters and it's never happened to me. And I'm like, why am I left out of this fun? Cried in the off season because you missed roller coasters. Actual tears, no. But it gets like, I've made sad tweets about it. Follow me on Twitter. Follow my Twitter. Please follow my Twitter. Will you follow my Twitter? A Halloween event, a Christmas event. That should give you lots of thoosie points. I don't know how this quiz is pieced together, but that should give you a lot more than Halloween. Halloween is pretty GP. That's a pretty GP event to go to. Stalked a roller coaster's manufacturer's website with no intention of buying something. Yeah. Seriously considering buying your own roller coaster? No. Referred to Six Flags as the discount chain. Yes. Gotten way too excited when a roller coaster or theme park appears in a TV show or movie. Every single time, if I know what it is, that's a triumph. Purposefully sought out TV shows or movies. Yes, I have, especially for the channel. Argued if Orion is a giga coaster or not. I have argued it, again, on my channel, and also more times than I care to say online. It's probably been 3 times, but more than 1 time is enough. 1 time is more than enough. Gotten really excited about Buzz Bars. Yes, I have. Cornball Express. Cornball Express. Yes, I have. And if you haven't ridden a coaster with Buzz Bars, it is actually worth the hype. Have you ever had a roller coaster as your phone background? Yes, I have. Made a joke about so many jokes about Mystic Timbers.
We've been waiting for you all summer, and we're so glad you're finally here.
Joined a coaster club? Not yet. I went to Hollywood Nights as a guest. Have you ever been to Hollywood Nights? I went there without joining a coaster club. I beat the system, and I'm probably not gonna get to go there this year. Taken online quizzes about roller coasters. Okay, show me my results. I am 68% thoosie, according to this BuzzFeed quiz by Mozzarella, and that means I'm an established enthusiast. You're pretty into roller coasters, but you might not be totally invested in that lifestyle. 1 trip to Hollywood Nights, and they'll all change. I have been there. Am I totally invested in the lifestyle? Personally, no. I think I would get really tired, and a lot of the novelty for coasters would kind of wear off if I was just going to parks all the time. I would say, yeah, 68% thoosie is something I am comfortable with. And I'm even wearing a coaster shirt right now. So I'm gonna stop right there. That last quiz ended up taking a lot longer than I expected and took up probably the bulk of this video. I have nothing written, nothing prepared. This has been 0 credits remaining, and this video is over.